Hello and welcome to Zion Foodtrucks. Today we have a very special project that we are shipping. It is a ice cream trailer, 16-foot ice cream trailer that is sort of designed like a New Orleans tram. 16-foot trailer, as I mentioned. This is the service window, which is 6 foot wide. It's a little different from the service windows that we typically put in that this is not self-closing. This was special ordered to be non-self-closing. We of course have workarounds. I'll show you that. Because this has a outdoor table. In the front is actually the gas tank, the diesel tank actually, for the generator. Of course, it has stabilizers in the front and in the back that we mounted. This is how you would fill water in the trailer. That's how you drain it. This is what we would call a self-contained trailer, in that it does not need a commissary. Big 12 kilowatt Cummins generator with a battery. Taking the beautiful wrap on it. Of course, a double axle, seamless trailer. And that's the shore power connection for them to operate when there is power available. Of course, I did not show this before. That's a marquee sign, a fold down marquee sign on top. Fairly large freezer in the back. That's a snow wizard, shaved ice. That's the electrical system, which we are always so proud of. Every single piece of equipment here has its own breaker, except the ice cream machine, which is there, which is that's its 220. Transfer box, when you have to switch to generator power or shore power. Right now it's in shore power. All the wire is in conduits. All the wiring is in conduits. And inside the walls, there is 1 inch of insulation, 1 inch of plywood. Now, I mentioned earlier that these are not self-closing windows. That means, by code, we have to add these air curtains. 2 air curtains either side. The second snow wizard. Here inside that as well, that is the hand wash sink with splash guards. 3 compartment sink. Towel soap dispenser. Inside this is actually a mop sink. Since this is a self-contained trailer, a fairly large hot water heater, 20 gallons to comply with code for a self-contained trailer. Inside that is the water tank. The generator box is right here. Of course, the switch for the generator. Right there is a milkshake machine, which uses the generator box as sort of a table. And that is the heart of the operation, which is a ice cream machine. We did not buy this one. The customer brought this to us. They got a really good deal on this one, which we always like. A refrigerator, all equipment as always mounted to the floor with washers. Some equipment which are top heavy, like this freezer, they're also mounted to the wall with washers again. Floor is aluminum diamond plate. That's the AC with heat. LED lights both on the inside and outside. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us, zionfoodtrucks.com. Thank you. Have a nice day.